So I'm at this beautiful place, beautiful place, and I was reminded, poigan mawi ka, ML philosophy jong ujon ruso, which is quite a beautiful thing kabang as to mga, ngidan ka mek negative education through hakajing im kajung kibrio, tangi kana klong hakajing im kajung kibrio, because we learn through experience, we learn through inner growth, we learn through social interactions hakajing im kajungi, the habai dei babagi khana ki khlong ki bor ki make pa they handle ki khon ki ai ki mobile phones ki gadgets ki jonki you know what you're giving a child propagated educations via frame per seconds screens per seconds live frames per seconds gitu and kini ki besni hodo kata kata ngin deprive no iki khon ki jongi na ka negative educations but ladang ong negative education doesn't mean it's negative kamut ba it's not a formal forms of education form of education ka ba lengba experience but kala bandai hai kini ki spiritual matters ki jongi ru te haba phi don ki khon ki jong phi wanum ai ba ki khon ki jong phi kin shunang be tang ki mobile phones ki laptop ki tablets or tv screens and all that stuff I begin learn through experience ru what era moral educations ka ba ki dai so I love this place, by the way. Beautiful place. Have a great day. God bless you.